Hi, this is Margaret Byrd and welcome to Color Quest. We are on the road, or on the sea if you will, in the beautiful island of Aruba off the coast of Venezuela. And today I am going to try a sun tea, and this time with daylilies, which I had in a bouquet, but also with canna, which is another lily family flower that is growing here in my garden in Aruba. I found, as I was rummaging around for the bougainvillea, I actually found some canna, which is from the lily family. So I am going to try and see what I can make from canna. Check it out. Pretty beautiful yellow flowers. We got a bouquet of white daylilies that I had pulled the petals as the bouquet was fading, which is a great way to reuse color. If you do get cut bouquets and so forth, often petals from those can be made into color. So I'm going to do some kind of combination between these yellow cannas and the white daylilies that we had. My expectations will be some form of a yellow dye, so we'll see what we get out of that. So I combined the two and I got a yellow dye as expected, and I went ahead and got a decent change in my textile, but I decided I wanted to do a sun version of the same thing. So I'm taking now the dye that I've already brewed and I'm going to put it into a clear glass container, and I'm going to put some material in, some of the textiles that I already dyed with the lily that have a sort of, they're a yellowish hue, but I want to see if I can maybe get a bit of a brighter hue if I try it with a sun dye as opposed to on the stove. And I might leave it in for a day or two and see what happens. It's always great to try different options and try different ways to see, because you can get different results. So let's put the daylily and canna lily dye into the glass container, put in our textiles, and see what we get. today I am going to try a sun tea, and this time with with daylilies.